Well, it's a beautiful morning, August, and I just got to a Cars and Coffee. And how about this midsize economy car here? Look at the bumper, my gosh. Get my shadow out of the way. I would say that bumper is the definition of opulent. You could say you have arrived, but your bumper will get there before you do. Holy cow. So it's a 55 Cadillac based upon the paperwork. Look at the legroom in there. So these were these back wing windows. So you got the front wing window and then the back. And I've talked to a couple people and they said it was great for smoking cigarettes because you could open the front ones to let fresh air in and then the back ones to let the exhaust out. And then speaking of exhaust, there's the exhaust tips that come out the bumper. You can see how the heated, well, let's show you this one. It heated up the bumper here. You can see how it heated the chrome off. And then over here, you can see that it just deteriorated the bumper. And I don't know if the gas filler is here or if it's behind the license plate, because in the mid 50s, the GM, they got really creative on where they put the gas filler cap. If I can find the owner, I'll try to do a walk around on this one. Pretty cool car. So I just got here and people are just showing up. But it's for August, we had a really hot week. And right now I think it's like 78 degrees out, so it's not bad at all. Quite a variety of cars. Five-speed. Yeah, as I say, that's not original because originally it would be a 4-speed. I don't think General Motors came out with a 5-speed. Maybe the 70s. $327. Good looking wheel and tire setup.
Cold water, many sittings will be out momentarily.
One thing I love about Cars and Coffee is the variety of vehicles. You got a mixture of what could be considered daily driver, and that hood opens. The Swept-line Dodge truck opened, the hood opened like that. But anyway, the variety of vehicles. So we had a Lamborghini, a 55 Cadillac, variety of Corvettes. Look at that bug eye. We'll go look at that. So this Crossfire I shot a week or two ago. Good morning. How you doing? Had you seen the video that I shot?
I haven't had time.
Okay. It turned out well.
Oh, good. Thank you.
Yes. So I shot a video of this Crossfire a couple weeks ago at another Cars and Coffee, as a matter of fact. And if I remember correctly, this gentleman wants to buy a Jag. So this is for sale. So it's early in the morning. The sun is always a challenge. So it's a Noble. I thought it was a Lotus when I first saw it. Hopefully someone puts in the comments below some information. I'll have to do some research on a Noble. I'm not into supercars much. And I don't know if this would even be considered a supercar. I'm sure there's people already commenting on that. I'll have to do some research on that. So a police cruiser. '57, I believe. Yeah, 57. So I was talking about the gas tank earlier on that 55 Cadillac. Here's where the gas fill is. There's a little door there, you flip that open to fill up your gas tank. Now that third tail light, let me get my shadow out of the way, that is not stock. That's something they added. So I'm going to walk around and see if I can do some interviews, stories behind the car, especially with that horn going off.
That if you get a different actual intake.
Nice car.
I can get a store close to that. What's kind of cool though? Practically at my doorstep. But yeah, lots of interesting stuff here. Remember that color car Miata?